In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So first, you have to open up Apple Wallet on your phone. So let's locate that. You can go to this app library and search it over here. Let's open it. And then click on the plus icon on the top right. If it shows you this prompt, it's gonna ask you for a passcode if you don't already have one. So just click on Setup Face ID and Passcode. And if you already have a passcode, you should already be in. You can skip this step. Just scroll down here and then click on Turn Passcode On. And then here is gonna prompt you for your new passcode. And once you finish setting up your passcode, you can now go back here and click on the plus icon again. And it should let you into the next page. And you should see this screen right here. And over here, just click on debit or credit card over here. And then click on continue. And this black frame or whatever you see on the top, this is going to be your camera. Just position it in front of your card and it's going to automatically put in the details. Otherwise, you can just click on the blue button at the bottom here and click enter card details manually to just put in your card number automatically or manually. And then once you're done, you can click on the next button at the top here and everything should be good from now on. And your Visa gift card should be added. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.